Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your dirt bike air filter. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your seat off and just get the air filter out. Unscrew this little ball here. Unscrew it. Once you get that out, be careful you don't lose anything. Just pull the air filter out, and once you get that out, take this ball, set it somewhere where you won't lose it. Then there's this little plastic skeleton thing in here. You're just gonna want to take this out, like that. And what I have here is just air filter cleaner. You can use gas too, but this is better. Shake that up good. And spray it. Get good. Spray a little in here. Then you're gonna want to rub that in. Make sure you rub it in good. Keep doing that until you see most of the dirt's gone. I have to add it right. Then once you get that rubbed in, good, you're gonna want to rinse it under water. Then you might need to, once it dries, you might need to do it again. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and I'll come back to you when I get that done. All right, guys. Once you rinse that with water, you're gonna want to let it submerge in warm, soapy water for a little while, for like a few minutes or something. And then once you get that out, just like rinse that out and let it dry. And once I get that done, I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, once you got the air filter, it's all dry. The next thing you're going to want to do is wipe this part down, the skeleton that goes in the filter. And if you can see, you want to wipe this part down pretty good in here. Get all that dirt and stuff out. And then you're going to want to put this back in here. Make sure you put it in the right way. Don't do that. Just put it in there. Yes. And then you're gonna want, I have is spray on air filter around. Shake this up, and you're gonna want to spray inside the air filter. Spray this black part around here. And make sure you get it pretty. Keep doing that until it's pretty covered. And then set that down. You're not done with it yet. Put this, make sure you put it back in on the right way. Alright, see ya. And I'm just gonna wanna line it up pretty well. screw it back in. I'll come back to you when I get this screwed in. Alright, once this is screwed in, if you could see, make sure this is tight, and you're just gonna spray like around here. So just do that. Alright, and spray a little bit right here. And that should be good. Alright, and put your seat back on, side panels and everything. And there you go. That's how you clean your airplane. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, make sure you rub the oil in the filter pretty good. Just like rub it around a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect, just get it rubbed around a little bit, and that'll be good. Alright, see you guys.